We're starting off super easy, and for the first hairstyle, we'll be doing half up, half down pigtails. To make it cuter, we'll be tying 2 ribbons. I'll be using wrapping ribbon, but I definitely recommend using fabric ribbon instead since it's easier to style and it won't stick out. But either one gets the job done and completes the hairstyle. For the second hairstyle, we'll be keeping the 2 pigtails and do a French braid. If you curled your hair like mine, I prefer not braiding it all the way down so you can still see a bit of the curl, and it'll blend nicely with the rest of the hair. For this hairstyle, I'll be styling it with mini bows and wrapping ribbon. Since wrapping ribbon is more stiff, I always clump it down. Another cute and simple hairstyle is braiding 2 mini braids on the top of your hair and accessorizing it with mini bows. I apologize if the lighting keeps changing. The day I was filming, it was a bit gloomy, but I always love gloomy weather because it gives me an excuse to be lazy and cuddle up in bed and watch more dramas. For this hairstyle, we'll be doing 2 French braid pigtails and styling it with wrapping ribbon. Now I did redo the first braid as it wasn't as tight as I wanted, so if you do this hairstyle, make sure to braid tightly near the neck. For the ribbon, I pre-tied it and will clip it onto a bobby pin, which is convenient if you're lazy like I am. We'll be braiding our hair into 2 Dutch braids. A Dutch braid we braid under, while a French braid we braid over. Either braid is fine. I would say it just depends on what hairstyle you're going for and what you think looks nicer. Little story time, when I bought these mini bows, the cashier told me how bows have been trending and she would love to style them, but she doesn't know how since she has short hair. She asked me how I would style it, and it's pretty much every hairstyle I'm showing in this video. I doubt she's watching this video, but as long as it helps someone out there. The next hairstyle I've seen all over Pinterest and wanted to recreate it. I believe it's called bubble hair. You basically tie your hair 1 inch apart with an elastic until it meets the end. At first it seemed a little time consuming, and I think cutting and tying the ribbon took the longest. You could do clip-ons, but tying the ribbon gives off a cleaner appearance and it covers the elastic. Taking scissors, carefully cut any pieces sticking out, making sure not to cut any of your hair in the process. For the last hairstyle, we'll be braiding 2 French braids on each side. Once you're done braiding, we're going to twist the 2 braids together. You can accessorize with a bow, but I bought these cute pins the other day and it fit well with this hairstyle. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!